In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Lucidchart. Whether you're creating a flowchart or organizing data, merging cells can help simplify your layout and make your chart look cleaner. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to Lucid's website. Once you're there, locate the login option on the home page and give it a click. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can manage and access your documents. For those of you who prefer using Google for authentication, there's a convenient Sign Up with Google button right there. Clicking this will streamline the login process, linking your Lucidchart account seamlessly with your Google credentials. Once logged in, the next step is to open your project. Find the Open button and select the project you wish to work on. It might be a flowchart you're updating or a brand new document you're starting from scratch. After the project loads, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left and locate the Shapes tab. Click it to reveal more options. In the Shapes menu, look for the option labeled More Shapes and give it a click. This opens up a variety of choices where you can expand your toolbox. Search for tables by using the search feature available in this section. Once found, check the box next to Table to ensure it appears in your side panel for easy access in the future. After ensuring tables are available in your Shapes toolbox, go ahead and exit this section. With tables now accessible on your side panel, select a table shape by clicking on it and drag it into your workspace. Now, if the default table doesn't fit your needs, you can easily customize it. Start by editing the number of columns. Lucidchart provides you with intuitive controls, making it simple to adjust column quantities by dragging or clicking within the table layout. Next, apply similar adjustments to the rows. This flexibility allows you to tailor the table to exactly how you want it to appear within your chart or diagram. With your number of columns and rows set, it's time to merge cells. Select the first cell you'd like to include in the merge. To select another cell, hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on the second cell you wish to merge with the first. Remember, it's important to select cells that are adjacent to one another for this to work properly. Now locate the Merge button and click on it. Voila! Your selected cells are now merged into a single cell. The merged cell can now be adjusted or edited to fit your needs, allowing you to center content or realign data as desired. And that's it! You've successfully merged cells in Lucidchart, refining your project to better suit your objectives. Feel free to save your work and explore further customizations to get the most out of your diagramming experience.